Hello guys, welcome back to Cryptosharx. So this is your step-by-step guide on how to create a MetaMask wallet in just few simple steps. Now MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It can be accessed through app or through a browser extension. Now let's jump into and create our own MetaMask wallet. Step 1 is to download MetaMask wallet. So for that you just need to type here direct through first link. So this is your official MetaMask website page. You just need to click here and download. As I'm using Chrome, I just need to click here install MetaMask for Chrome. So now this will open Chrome web store. You just need to click here add to Brave, add extension. So after downloading MetaMask wallet extension, you will get to see this icon over here and this pop-up would appear. Now just click over here, get started. Now this is some guidelines. You just need to click I agree. Now if you have MetaMask wallet already installed and you already have recovery phase, you just need to import your wallet. But as for this video, we're gonna create our own wallet. So just click here, create a wallet. You just need to register as writing your new password. So let me choose my password. Click here and click on create. Click here, next. Okay, so this is very important. MetaMask seed phrase feature is only way to secure your wallet. So keep in mind to store your seed phrase somewhere securely. For now, I'm storing it on my Google Keep. And there are some tips as well to how you can store your seed phrase securely. Click here to reveal secret words. So this is your 12-word seed phrase. You just need to secure it very properly. Now just click here, next. Now select each phrase in order to make sure it is correct. This confirms your secret recovery phase. After that, click here. So congratulations, your test is passed and now you are at the last step to create a MetaMask wallet. You just click here. So this is your MetaMask wallet. There are some options and features you need to know first, but we would create bunch of videos for you to understand separately. You can now access your wallet by clicking on the MetaMask icon on the top right hand corner of your preferred browser. Like this. Guys, that's it for the video. I hope you understood how you can create MetaMask in just few simple steps. Cryptosharx will arrive soon for you to understand MetaMask from basics to advanced. Thank you.